Hi guys, in this video, we will learn how to divide 92,960,130 divided by 186,282 in less than 5 seconds. We are going to do this by guesstimation method. So we'll try to understand like how does it work. So the answer we are going to get it not like a super exact, it will be a very close approximation. So what we will try to do is we will try to round this number like the top number. So let us say I can tell like that 9296, and the last four digit I'm putting 0000, and here I'm putting like the bottom bit number like 186, and the last three digit I'm also rounded to 000. Now here, still we have a bit of a feeling like my top bit is still like a little bit bigger number. So I'll be a bit more rounding here. This is like 96, so 9, and I can make it 93 easily. And that's not going to make a big difference in our answer. That's what we'll see. So I'll change that to 93, and this 96 I'll also change it to 00. But here, as you can see, guys, because this number is 9, I can easily make this number I can round the 2 to 3. And now in the bottom bit, I have got 186,000. Whenever I'm rounding, there are a couple of numbers which are going to be really key. So let's say if it is a 9 or 1 or 2, these are the numbers we'll be targeting, because if I got any number 9, I can round the next number up, and that's not going to make a big difference to my answer. If I have got a number 1 or 2, I don't need to round it up, but I can keep it the same and I can convert that to 0. That is also not going to make a big difference. Now what I'll do is the last three zeros, I can cut it down without any problem. So what I'm on left is 93000 divided by 186. Now let's think about 930 and 186. If we think about 930 divided by 186, again, if I try to round it again in the same way, like 930 is very close to 1000 actually, and 186 is close to 200. And so that I can have a bit of approximation, like 1000 divided by 200 is going to be around 5. But if you want to double check, is it like coming closer or not, we can do that as well. So we can do like 186 multiplied by 5, and here we will go by left to right method. So let us say 100, first 186, so 100 times 5, so I can do 500. The second number is 8, so 8 and 0, 80 times 5. So 80 times 5 is going to be 400. So write down 400. And then 6 times 5 is going to be 30. And if I just add them up, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 3 and 0. So that's perfect 930. So I can just do that like, okay, this is going to be 5, and there are 2 zeros at the end. So now 500. So my answer of this complete question is 500. If you feel like, oh, that may be like a far different than the real answer, but not exactly, guys. If you put down that in a calculator, what we are getting is 499.02. So that's quite close. And these are not like a randomly selected number. So the top number here is the distance from Earth to Sun in miles, and the bottom number is the speed of light in miles per second. So light takes around 500 seconds to reach from sun to earth. Is it not amazing, guys? I hope you enjoyed the guesstimation method. If you like this, to enjoy more such cool math tricks, guys, subscribe to the channel and give it a like if you really like that. And thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.